Hello, this is the trough, the water trough from the Tormac over there. And it occurred to me to clean it out. If you're using an abrasive stone, then it'll fill up with the sludge from the stone. But because I've been using diamond, it's just filling up with, well, about 20 thousandths behind the edge. Stuck up there, there's a magnet around this side with a scraper on it. Lighting. Yeah, so that, I'm kind of in two minds about this idea, because the magnet, of course, is brilliant, traps all your metal particles there and stops them coming back around on the wheel and possibly scratching up your fine finish or whatever. But having the magnet on the scraper means that when you use the scraper, the magnet all gets covered in particles, unless you're very careful. So actually, I think what I might do is find a different scraper this time. And yeah, then I'm going to get onto this knife again. And I've just been, well, yesterday I got as far as, wow, that's filthy. This is the Tormac coarse grit. I can't tell you exactly what grit that is, actually, but I'm guessing maybe it's about a 400 or something. It's not very coarse. So yeah, we're definitely looking a lot finer than after the 80 grit. Next, I'm going to step it up to the Tormac fine wheel. We can see that this side I had to remove more material and it's all a bit messier and more faceted. But I figured I will try and tidy that up with the finer grits. Now, if you've got the skill, it's way better to do that. And I think you'll actually get a better result by clearing that up with the rough grit, the low grits. But you can really mess up with the low grit as well when you run over. So I'm just going to try and, you know, basically I'm going for functionality at this point anyway, more than beauty. Although, of course, it'd be nice for it to look good. So yeah, we're going to get onto the brand spanking new 600 grit fine wheel, and then I will go on to the actual stones. I'll use the Tormac original finished to 1000 grit, and then I will step up to the Waterstone, which is up to 6000, I guess, and then we'll be ready. Catch you in a minute. Oftentimes the wheel gets stuck on, and it's the reverse threaded, of course. So I find that this here crescent wrench is just the job for that. Just bink, pop it off there. So a lot just happened with the 600 grit. For one thing, my edge got straight again, pretty much. I tried to bring out a bit of that sway, but because the edge was doing this, you know, but through continued grinding, of course, that just took out the middle, took out the belly. But, you know, so be it. I think that looks pretty good. So I also reprofiled, actually, because it was almost doing a recurve there in the middle or something. So I've taken in the heel again and the tip a little bit. So we've still got a bit of sway and everything's coherent.